Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F27 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to localize more security and privacy. Scroll and find installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Simply find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So if you're ready, just tap on allow, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. And of course you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the specific switcher. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.